Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Crypto.com wallet address. First, open the Crypto.com app on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you are logged in, look for the prominent blue deposit button, usually found on the home screen, and tap it. A menu will appear, and from there, you should select the crypto option to proceed with depositing cryptocurrency. Next, you will see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Carefully select the one you intend to receive, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. If your chosen crypto supports multiple networks like ERC20 or BEP20, it is crucial to select the correct network. Sending assets through the wrong network could result in the permanent loss of your funds, so always double-check this step. After selecting your cryptocurrency and network, your unique deposit wallet address will be displayed on the screen, often accompanied by a QR code. To ensure accuracy, tap the copy icon to save the address to your clipboard. It is extremely important to double-check this copied address against the one displayed before pasting it into another platform to initiate a transfer. A single incorrect digit can divert your funds. If you are using the Crypto.com exchange instead of the app, log in, then navigate to the Wallet section and select Deposit for your chosen crypto. For any first-time deposit, it is highly recommended to send a small test amount first to ensure everything works correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other deals. Always verify the network and address to protect your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.